This is me racing my Subaru in real life. But this $2,000 shifter does most of the work. I know a lot of you guys out there are looking to improve the performance on your Subaru this year, and if you had two choices to choose between a bigger turbo or a shifter, I am going to tell you every time you need to choose a shifter. So why choose a WRX shifter? And the answer is simple. It is like no other. It is a complete shifter replacement. It completely changes your driving performance. It removes all the OEM components, the pivot point, the plastic pieces, everything that gets loose and sloppy that you hate about your shifting experience, and replaces it with a full chassis mounted billet aluminum shifter. The shifter has a 50% shorter throw than OEM. It is notchy, it is precise. The centering mechanism helps guide you into gears. It has the ability to give you quicker shift. There's patented height adjustment on the shaft, allowing you to adjust the rise of where you like your shifter to sit. There are a lot of other competitors out on the market, but what they don't tell you is that they still, for the most part, reuse a lot of the OEM components. So you still have the pivot point, you still have that plastic piece that wears over time, whereas with the WRX shifter, that goes away. All those OEM components that wear and lose their rigidity over time are gone. They are no longer an issue. All you have is the entire shifter component bolted to your chassis. So the OEM shifter has a lot of play. You'll notice as I'm driving, the shifter does not wobble. I shift, it stays where it is. There's no wobble, there's no play. You know the play I'm talking about when you have your OEM shifter. And the reason why you have that much play is because you're working with a pivot point inside a little plastic ball. There's no little plastic ball in here. It is bolted to my chassis and it is solid. It's not going anywhere. The faster I shift, the harder I drive, there is no movement whatsoever.